Then comes the economic impact of exhibition. What is the economic impact of an exhibition? When an exhibition is taking place, what role does it play to the economy? How does it affect the economy or create an impact on the economy of that particular place, or state, or that country? First thing, it provides profit through direct selling. Yes, this is one economic factor that whenever there is an exhibition, there'll be selling of products. So when the product are sold, definitely it is a factor which is related to economy. Next is create employment for all involved in event. Uh, Definitely, this is another impact, economical impact, because in this there are payments, money involved. Okay. When an exhibition is taking place in a in a state, in a country, or in a particular region, definitely it creates a lot of employment in that particular place for that particular period of time. Then create facilities and infrastructure. When organization want to, or the organizers want to do an exhibition, have an exhibition in a particular area, in a particular state or a city, it is important for them to create facilities and infrastructure in that particular place so that people can come in easily, they can stay there, they can move in and out. And in the place where the exhibition is held, that place is also comfortable for the people to attend. There's no chaos, there's safety. So for all these, managing all these things, uh, good facilities and infrastructure has to be developed. So when these things are developed, it plays an important role. It create an impact on the economy. Trade show manager. Trade show manager um, is a person behind that particular event who is basically involved in the organization of that particular event. He can be a person from a particular company. He can be a person, a freelancer, or a professional of that particular event management, or maybe an event management company. What is his job? His job is to conceptualize and develop the show, taking care of the sales, marketing of that particular show, advertising and promotion to attendees. Uh, those people who will be attending, or who are expected to attend, or target attendees, how will he promote the particular show to them? Responsible for selling the show. Once he has made a concept that okay, we'll be having a particular exhibition or show in that particular place, then how will you bring in the exhibitors? Why they would like to rent an outlet or a stall from your particular in a particular exhibition? What benefit they will get? So it is responsibility of this manager, of the trade show manager, to for selling the show to those exhibitors. Then moving in the show, in the sense, how will he make all the necessary arrangements to have a smooth operation during the particular exhibition or the trade show? So all facilities he has to create. He has to make sure that the destination has good infrastructure, good facilities, so that people can easily move in, move out. There is when people come from their hotel, they have good transportation available, they have accommodation available, and they have good parking facilities available. Okay, and food and beverage facility in the hotel and in the exhibition area. So all these things he has to make sure, he has to organize. Volunteers are there to assist people. There are cleaning services are there, washroom services are cleaning, washroom drainage, and all these facilities are also there. So all this will come in the moving in the show. When executing the show, when the exhibition starts, there are a lot of problem which occurs. Some people find difficulty in their stall. Some say that their electric points are not working. Some have they want some extra things in their stalls. So when all these things comes during the event, so he is responsible for executing the show. When the show is going on, he cannot deny things directly. So He has to make sure how things he has to make them understand and manage all the things. Then moving out the show, once the show is over, the exhibition is over, his duty doesn't finish here. uh, it's his duty to make sure that everything is removed from there, everything is cleared, payments are done, the payments which has to be taken from exhibitor, it is taken, and all the legal formalities are done, completed, and he has made all the necessary accounts and the financial matters clear, and then only the things move out. So he has to make all these arrangements, takes time for him, and it's a hectic job. And definitely, he's a master, he's a professional in that field, so he's able to manage all these things in a very wonderful manner. Then this term we are hearing from starting, exhibitor. Okay, so who are exhibitor? A company or a person exhibits, a company or person exhibit or show their work at an exhibition. In this picture, we can see a person standing here. What he's doing, he's exhibiting. This is his product. What he's doing, he's exhibiting his product to the attendees. These are the people who look, see, they can see in the picture. They look interested in that particular product, and he's giving an explanation to them. So he's the person who's the exhibitor, who has this product, and he's telling these people about the product. So he's the exhibitor. A company or person exhibit or show their work at an exhibition is called an exhibitor. Then attendees, those people who attend trade show and exposition to buy from the exhibitors or learn about their industry. So these are the people who have come to attend the exhibition. Who are these people? These are the people who want to buy from the exhibition. From the exhibition, they want to buy something or learn more about their industry. They want to learn something more about that particular product, how this particular product can be more useful, what is the use of this, how it is used, and so on. There's so many a number of things related to a product. From different industry, there'll be different queries. So these attendees, they come, even they sometimes they are from different companies, they come there and they attend this and take information and go back to the company, and then following, when they have good links, networking takes place, they exchange their contact numbers, the email ID. So after that, the business takes place between them, among them. Type of attendees. Okay. So there are three type of attendees as we are seeing. There are serious and qualified customers, trade show press, and looky-loos. Serious and qualified customers, as we have seen in the last picture, are those people who are really interested to buy or know more about that particular product. They have come to an exhibition with a purpose. Next are trade show press. These are those people from press media who have come to cover that particular exhibition and release it in the newspaper or in social media or through blogs or different things. So they are people from press and media who will be covering that particular exhibition. Then these are looky-loos. These are very This is very important for an exhibitor to understand who are looky-loos. These are those people who are not interested in the product, but they are interested in making nuisance in that particular exhibition. They have just gone there since they said they don't have any work to do. They said, okay, let's visit that exhibition. So they will not buy anything. They are not interested in your product. But one thing they'll take from you is they will waste your time. So an exhibitor must understand that whether a person who has come to approach them is a looky-loos or is a serious or qualified customer. So this will come by experience, by seeing. He'll understand that if it's a looky-loos, he will definitely tell something, some of the details about the product, but not too many details. He will just tell the outline of the product, that this is this product, this is used for this particular thing. But to a serious and qualified customer, he will be explaining